This story is called Where is Galah? And it's written and illustrated by Sally Morgan. I can see emu, says Dingo. And I can hear kookaburra. But where is Galah? Can you see him? Got to look for him on every page. I can see butterfly, says Dingo. And I can hear crocodile. Crunch, crunch, crunch. But where is Galah? I can see eagle, says Dingo. And I can hear frog. But where is Galah? I can see swan, says Dingo. And I can hear mouse. But where is Galah? Can you see him? Can you find him on the page? That's right, here he is. I can see turtle, says Dingo. And I can hear crow. But where is Galah? I can see koala, says Dingo. And I can hear platypus. Splash, splash, splash. But where is Galah? He's very good at hiding. He's blending in the same colours as the tree. I can see python, says Dingo. Can you? Sunbathing on the rocks here. And I can hear numbat. Slurp, slurp, slurp. But where is Galah? Can you spot him this time? He's down by the water. I can see wombat, says Dingo. And I can hear owl. Hoot, hoot, hoot. But where is Galah? Look hard, I'm sure you'll spot him. I can see quoll, says Dingo. And I can hear bat. Swish, 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 as he flies by. But where is Galah? Sometimes he's down low. Sometimes he's up high. Surprise, Dingo! Cries Galah. Here I am! Ha ha ha! He's very good at playing hide and seek, isn't he? But where is Dingo? Here's all our other friends in the darkness of their night. Can you see where Dingo is? That's right. He's curled up sleep tight. And that's the end of the story.